Launching an Amazon product is intense. I had the idea, but the thought of managing sourcing and production and all of those FBA rules was completely overwhelming. Game On Group was the perfect solution. They immediately got to work. They sourced my product and brought top quality for a competitive price. They were my full service team. They handled everything else from getting the product certifications, designing the packaging, managing all the logistic, labeling, costumes, shipping, all straight to Amazon warehouse. And it was completely seamless. They took all the risk out of launching overseas. And so I strongly recommend Game On Group and the amazing team they have if you want to launch fast and accurately without the typical importing headache. They are the best partner for growth.